Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Friday. Today is December the 19th. We are out here. Where are we, guys? We was out here a month ago. We did a job not far from here. This is Royston, Georgia. It was about a good hour, 15-minute ride from Lawrenceville. Also went out and did a consultation this morning in Auburn, Georgia, which is right next to Lawrenceville, Decula. So anyway, guys, this is Mr. Art. He flips properties. He reached out to me, sent me pictures maybe about 3 weeks ago. I did give him 2 quotes to sand it and or either screen a recoat, which we're going to do today. He said, Courtney, because of budget and time, let's just do a screen a recoat because these are just rental properties, so we're not trying to put too much into them. So what we're going to be doing today, guys, is about 1,000 square feet screen recoat with UV cure. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we are in Royston, Georgia. All right, so we are about to start setting up, and let me show you these floors. Alrighty, it's gonna make a good video. So as we come in, we have this room right here. Got a little discoloration, gonna do a color correction right there. All right. Then we got this room. Now I did tell him, and I did put it in the proposal, this is water damage that is not coming out. But he said that's fine, it's just a rental property. Here, we're gonna come down this hallway. We got a room right here. Okay. Then we got this hallway, and Mr. Art went to go get some lights for this hallway. Then we got this room right here, and this room right here. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and get started.
Yeah. Royston, Georgia. Real work, real result. Ain't always gotta tear it out. Sometimes you just gotta know what you're doing. Yeah. Floor look tired, yeah, they been through some years. Scratches in the finish, painting every board you hear. They say replace it, that's the easy way out. But now let's save money, that's what this about. Friend made a call, said you gotta call Truman. He seen results, yeah, the proof is fluent. We walking calm, looked around, no rush. Screen it, clean it, recoat, trust. No, what I mean, experience different. They thought it was over, thought the flow was done, but skill bring it back, may look brand new again. Say the bar for racks, yeah, that's real talk. Same floors, new life, watch how we walk. True man, he's the man. Yeah, he's the man. True man, he's the man. Know what I'm saying? When the floor look on, they call true man. Bring them back to life. True man, he's the man. Spray and recoat, one day transformation. Not just work, this is craft and dedication. Clients talk, yeah, the word get passed. They say my floor made them last. Not the cheapest, never claim to be. They call for results, consistency. When your name ring bells in different towns, that's respect, that's work, that's putting it down. That's around. That's experience. They speak highly cause they seen it firsthand. Same floors, new shine, same plan. You don't gotta rip it out when you call the right man. True man, he's the man. Yeah, he's the man. True man, he's the man. Every time. From war to revive, watch it happen. Bring them back to life. True man, he's the man. Royston, Georgia. Screen clean, recoated. Same floors, new story.
We are done. Actually, Mr. Art just pulled in. Let him come take a look at these floors.
Truman.
Come on in, Art.
Take your shoes off.
Yeah, if you can't take your shoes off.
That looks good. Man, that looks good.
It look good from already there, don't it?
It's real good. Man,
And look at that. Didn't even have to spend all that money to sand it.
I'm telling you.
Yep.
Save me some. Use that money for something else.
Save about what? About $4 grand? Cause about 7 to save it. Look at that.
Man, that does look good.
Yes, sir.
That looks jammed up.
Jam up. I like that. Yes, sir.
That looks very good.
Yep. We go look at this room. Now this one right here, look at this one right here. It's still drying a little bit, so we can't walk all the way in here.
Okay.
Look how much better that one looked. That was the worst one.
Wow. Yeah, shoot, yeah. That looks real good. Man, that saved a lot too.
Yes, sir. Then those 2 rooms.
Cool. Man, that looks sharp.
Yes, sir.
And knocked it out quick too.
Yes, sir. That's the one thing people love about this process. The screen of Recoat. Man, one day and not even a whole day.
Wow. Dude. Yeah, that looks. Man, that looks sharp, man. And so it's good. It's good to go.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah.
All
Yes,
right.
sir.
Man,
Yes, sir.
That is all right.
Well, yes, sir. That's what we do, man.
That is
And and also the person that referred me to you, tell them I said thank you, man. I love the referrals.
I'll do it, man.
I love the referrals.
That looks jammed up.
Yep.
That spot turned out good too.
Yes,
didn't
sir.
it?
Yep.
Good. Yeah, that looks sharp.
Thank you, man.
Let me get you squared away.
Yes, sir. All right, guys. Another happy client, and also Art was actually referred to me by someone. So I want to, whoever referred me to Art, thank you so much for the referrals. Actually, the job that we're doing tomorrow in Dunwoody, it's a screen and recoat with UD Cure, and it's a referral. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.
Was he on that? East Coast, Paris Island? You follow
Yeah. And he was like, he went overseas to like China and all that.
Oh yeah, yeah.